Since January 11, 2023, our system ranks C3.ai as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.081. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 106.13% since we first told you to buy C3.ai 19 days ago. This is an average return of 5.59% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for C3.ai, our last headline reads, high volatility in C3.ai stock price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $24.53. The C3.ai stock price fell by -10.96% on the last day, Tuesday, February 7, 2023, from $27.55 to $24.53. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 18.1% from a day low at $23.09 to a day high of $27.27. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 68.94% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -45 million shares, and in total, 59 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.45 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $30.92, and the lowest price was $10.16. Right now the price is 20.67%, or $6.39, below 52-week high, and 86.66%, or $159.37, below all-time high December 23, 2020, where the price hit $183.90. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 28.33% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -32.19% and 44.65%. The 12-month trend indicates a -26.24% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -80.24% and -17.27%. This equals a price between $4.85 and $20.29 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Friday, February 3, 2023, D.A. Davidson set price target to 30. On Thursday, December 8, 2022, JMP Securities set price target to 19. On Thursday, December 8, 2022, Piper Sandler set price target to 13. On Tuesday, September 6, 2022, Deutsche Bank set price target to 13. On Friday, September 2, 2022, Needham set price target to 0. From analysts, C3.ai stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for C3.ai. The C3.ai stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $22.53 and $14.40. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, February 6, 2023, and so far it has fallen -10.96%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. The stock had a golden star signal on Monday, July 18, 2022 in the long-term chart. Golden star signal is when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and price line meet in a special combination. This combination is very rare and often followed by long and strong gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 30 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 24 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 16 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 11 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for C3.ai. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $21.92 and $21.68. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, C3.ai finds support just below today's level at $21.92. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $21.68 and $19.85. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $4.18 between high and low, or 18.1%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 19.64%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for C3.ai. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. C3.ai currently has a price-earning ratio of -9.66. A negative high price-to-earnings ratio means the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even the most established companies experience down periods, which may be due to environmental factors that are out of the company's control. However, companies that consistently show a negative price-to-earnings ratio are not generating sufficient profit and run the risk of bankruptcy. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2022 is expected to be released March 01, 2023. The consensus among the analysts are $0.690. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, C3.ai meets first resistance at $25.88. If you do not hold C3.ai shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, C3.ai finds first level of support at $21.92, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for C3.ai is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insides trades have been done by Siebel Thomas M., whom have bought and sold 192,875 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 15.456. In total, the insiders bought 4,441,740 and sold 3,639,753 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $23.20, minus 5.44%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. The RSI 14 is 78, and this increases the risk substantially. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 1 day ago. Is C3.ai stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for C3.ai stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Wednesday 8th, we expect C3.ai to open up $0.433 and start trading at $24.96. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to